Let's look at some common ways a beginner knitter might accidentally add stitches to their rows. So there are two common ways that you might accidentally add stitches, and we'll go through each of them in this video. First, let's knit a few stitches so that we're partway through our row. And in this example, what we're going to do is create an extra stitch by accidentally not slipping the stitch that you've just knitted from your left onto your right needle. So in this example, we're knitting the stitch as we normally would, but instead of sliding that off our left and onto our right, we miss that step. And so we create ourselves an extra stitch that we then knit again. And as you can see in the video, we've now got two stitches where there was just one. The other way that we can accidentally create an extra stitch is by accidentally popping our right needle into the bar in between two stitches rather than into the next stitch on our left needle. So you can see here that my right needle is going to go in underneath that bar, and I wrap my yarn around it and knit it as if it's a stitch, and I've created an extra stitch in between the two stitches that I was meant to knit. So let's look at that again. I'm knitting my stitches as normal from left needle to right, but in this case, instead of knitting that next stitch on my needle, I accidentally go into the bar in between stitches and knit that one instead, which has created that extra stitch.